फिर चली गई लाइट. That's why I told you that making your mind think. If you keep thinking about only the problems which surround भी पाना चाहते हो, तो ये माइंड लगता कि आपके पास बहुत अच्छा सेटअप हो, बहुत अच्छा माइक हो, तभी आप कुछ कर. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing exceptionally well. And this is Yashoda, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I shoot my videos. Friends, it's really very easy to say that shooting videos and making videos are just like walk in the park. But for me, it's not that much easy because I have to set everything before making videos, and nobody helps me while in making videos. And even sometime what happens, most of the time they just annoys me. They disturb me. Okay, so that's why it's really very difficult for me to make videos. Still I make videos because I'm very passionate about making videos and about learning English and speaking English. So let's have a look how I shoot my videos. Let me show you. So first of all, friends, this is my whiteboard and I have set everything, and here there is a bulb, and first of all I have to set this bulb. Okay, there is no one to help me, so I have to do all this work on my own, and it's really scary. Still, so here it is. Now that bulb is on. Oh, I forgot to fix this. I have to also fix this. I will tuck this behind the board. Yeah, now it's okay. And these are two rods which I have. I asked my husband to get, but he didn't get. Then I asked my brother-in-law to purchase it for me, because it was really difficult for me to make videos without this. Because in order to make a good and attractive video, if you want your videos to have a good quality, then you have to set everything. And for this I'm going to set this. Let me show you how I will set. And friends, you can see I turn on this light too, and now I have to set one. There is one rod. I have to also lit, and you can see now the quality of my videos will be top quality. And this is a bulb, this is a bulb, and this is a rod bulb, and here it is one bulb. And now I will have to set my camera or mobile. So this is the stand. I will set my phone in this stand to make videos. I don't have any other phone, so I'm using this phone to show you how I shoot my videos, as well as how I set my room, just like my small YouTube studio. And I will fix my phone in between this, and then I shoot my videos. I stand in front of my camera, whatever topic I want to talk about, I just write down and tell one by one, and in this way I shoot my videos. And it's quite challenging because sometimes what happens, just because of my house is near to the railway track, so it always happens. You must, okay, you must have listened so many times that train's voice, and it's quite disturbing, as well as it also not good for my videos. If I want to have a good quality, okay, if I want to give good qualities videos, then I have to remove that sound. So for this I have to just stop, because apart from this there's no option, there's not any other option. And if I talk about myself, so it seems to me that these kind of things sometimes holding me back to achieve my goal. But still, just because of, I always try to strengthen myself, okay, because I believe in one thing. If you keep thinking about only the problems which surround yourself, then you will be totally engrossed only tackling out those problems. You will never ever be able to achieve your goal. And what happens sometimes, when I start making videos, when I start shooting my videos, one or two person, or maybe any one of my family members, they come and they just disturb me, and i can't say I can't say even a single word to them, but I just have to give time to them. And in the same way, one thing also annoys me a lot, and that is light power. Because power, they are all throughout the day, there was more than 20 power cuts off and on. And I that's why I don't have enough time for my this language journey, as well as just because of it's the weather, it's really very hot, it's getting hotter day by day. And though it rains, still it's hot and sultry hot, I can say. It's humidity everywhere, and still you can say sweat on my face. It's been only 5 minutes and I started getting, my body started getting removed that sweat more and more. And that's why I don't feel like making videos in this room, because it's not easy not to crack. But still I have to, because if I'm really passionate about doing anything, then I have to just tolerate all those things. I have to accept. And in this way I just try to uh, keep my face dry off using some cloths, because I can't turn on the fan. Yeah, there is a fan, okay, but I can't turn it on, because if I turn this fan on, then definitely there may be, in my videos you must listen some background noise, and it's always uh, downs the quality of my videos. And I don't want this thing to happen, so I just फेस प्रॉब्लम्स. दुनिया में लोग कहते हैं कि कुछ भी असंभव नहीं होता है, या इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, देयर इज़ नो डाउट, दुनिया में कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है अगर आप सच में अपने आप पे भरोसा करते हैं. इवन आई कांट से ओके कि क्या क्या होता है लाइफ में, क्या क्या नहीं होता है. आई डोंट वांट टू शो दिस ऑन सोशल मीडिया. आई जस्ट हैव टू टॉलरेट दिस, because no one will help me. And therefore I believe in only myself. And before making this video, I asked 2 of my family members to help me shooting this video, to help hold this camera, but no one has helped me. Even they just say to me only one thing each and every time: it's your priority, so keep doing your work, we will not disturb you, but never ever accept a single help from us. So I just started doing on my own. I didn't take anyone's help, because I believe in myself and I know how to tackle each and every situation. Sometimes I feel like that I want to cry, but sometimes I don't. And in, in the last part of this video, I would say only one thing: keep believing in yourself. जीवन में सब कुछ पॉसिबल है। अगर आप सच में कुछ भी पाना चाहते हो तो ये माइंड नहीं लगता कि आपके पास बहुत अच्छा सेटअप हो, बहुत अच्छा माइक हो, तभी आप कुछ कर सकते हो। आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो। और इट्स गेटिंग डार्क, यू कैन सी it rained, therefore the weather is just like this. And this is the veranda where I am standing right now, and these are the clothes which I have washed before rain, and these all clothes are still wet. And this is the gallery. And friends, बस यही कहूँगी कि जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि ज़िंदगी में हम लोग हार मान गए हैं, तो हार मानने से कुछ नहीं होता। मैं भी कभी कभी जब हार मान जाती हूँ, जब कोई हेल्प नहीं करता तो रोना आता है। बट रो के भी क्या मिलता है? कुछ नहीं मिलता। बस थोड़ी देर हम ऐसा लगता है कि हम डिमोटिवेट हो रहे हैं। बट नहीं, जो ड्रीम्स मैंने देखी हैं वो मुझे पूरे करने हैं। इफ़ एनीवन वांट्स then they can help. If anyone don't, then why they will do. So it's totally up to me. I'm really very concerned about my dream, so I have to take each and every effort, every step to fulfill my all those dreams, because unfortunately in my earlier days, in my younger days, I couldn't do anything. But now God has given me this opportunity through this language, so I don't want to miss even a single opportunity. If I'm not able to do anything, if I'm not getting better in this language, so it doesn't mean that I'm not that much consistent doing practice, because I'm a woman, okay? I'm a homemaker, as well as I'm a farmer. So there are so many responsibilities regarding my family. Okay, so I don't want to stress this video a lot, so that you won't feel boring after while watching these videos. So all in all, I would say only one thing कि जीवन में जो भी आप सपने देखते हैं वो पॉसिबल हैं। एंड बस आप अपने आप पर भरोसा रखें और अपने सपनों पे। अगर आप भी यूट्यूब जर्नी स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आप भी कर सकते हैं। यू डोंट नीड टू बाय एक्सपेंसिव apparatus to make your videos engaging and good quality. You can start from the zero, because earlier when I started, then I had nothing, but फिर चली गई लाइट। That's I told you that making videos, it's not easy for me, and even I can't regret, because this is my home. I have no other place, and I have no inverter as well, so I have to just face it. I have to just tackle out these problems only just by tolerating, and I endeavor everything. And yeah, कहते हैं कि हारने के बाद भी हमें हार नहीं माननी चाहिए, जब तक हम जीत के उस मुकाम को हासिल ना कर लें जहाँ पे हम जाना चाहते थे। तो मिलते हैं आपसे कल की वीडियो में। टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लिसनिंग, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग।